Hi everyone, welcome to Frugal Fun. I have been meaning to do an apartment tour for the last 2 months now and finally I'm doing it. It's going to be a very vlog style video because मैं अकेली हूँ, there's no one to help me right now to shoot this video. But before we start, a very quick intro. I live in Singapore. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment in the central business district of Singapore. We have been living here for the last, I would say, 4 months now. Standing in the living room right now. But let's start from the entryway. So that's our entryway. As soon as we turn, firstly we see this cupboard kind of a thing जिसके पीछे हमारा electric panel है, and we used some Moroccan tiles to decorate it. This is sort of our entryway to the living room, and इधर पे है एक सुंदर सा hanging shelf which has a diya which my parents gave us from Dubai, and just some decorative DIY plant stand. Just on the side of this Moroccan tile wala cupboard is our shoe rack. I don't like the color but it's fine. ये हमारे पास, this is from IKEA and we had it from Hong Kong, so couldn't change the color. And just on top of it we have a cute keyring holder. And then on a tray from IKEA we have kept some pupuri, and these are bottles जो खाली होता गया, and I kept on decorating them with acrylic colors and I just put some branches. This is just a room freshener, and this cute vase we got from Vietnam as a travel souvenir. Then on this side we have another hanging shelf. This fish is a beautiful one, again a travel souvenir from Philippines, and this is a decoupage flower vase again. If we move here, this is where we have our bar cart. Bar cart के पीछे का जो मैंने art बनाया है, which says welcome. Basically this is a blackboard material and I used some chalks to write welcome. Look at how cute this bar cart is. It's very quirky and we got it from a Chinese website over here called Easy Buy. This is my random art which says cheers. And on top we have a bar sign. Okay, moving on, here is a fiddle leaf fig plant. Iska jo pot hai, it's a DIY that I created using some ready-made pom-poms and a lot of rassi. Now moving on to my favorite part, which is this wall. So first, this bookshelf is a very cheap one, and we got it to sort of showcase our travel souvenirs. These are from Japan, these are random ones, these are some books that we had. And I have a few candles over here as well. That lady is from Philippines. That's a travel coat which we printed and put it in a frame just to give the row some height. Then the next shelf has this cute cup called Friends, which I got from LA when I was visiting the Warner Bros. Studio. And the other two goodies are from Japan as well. And since the top was getting so colorful, bottom wala shelf I've tried to keep it very neutral using a basket and some greens coming out of it. This basket we use to store grocery bags and few random things which are easy to grab and go out of the door when we are leaving. Now moving on to the TV area. Firstly, this wall that you see is my mini gallery wall. We got these two pictures printed hamare travel se. This is from Peru and this is from Taiwan. And the others that you see over here are just DIYs that I made using some cardboard frames. Even the high is a DIY. How cute does it look? And over here some decor we got from again some Chinese website, and this actually my friend Kritika Goyal had gifted me, and इसके अंदर हमने कुछ fairy lights लगा दिया है. So yeah, when the light is on, this is how it looks like. And जो TV के bottom वाला shelf है, it's very random. This basket is a DIY again using a waste cardboard box. And ये मेरे कुछ DIY washi tapes and stuff. That is my Instax and a lot of decor stuff over there. That's also a candle actually. And over here again some random stuff. यहाँ पे हमारे सारे set top box and you know जो काम की चीज़ें है वो है. Then moving on, this is my favorite corner or nook. This macrame we got from again a Chinese website. And this basket is really cute. It's actually a laundry basket, but it looks so cute in this corner that I am keeping it here. And उसके बाद this plant is a fake plant actually, but it adds some greenery to the room. And then let me show you this DIY mat that I created. ये पूरा from scratch मैंने बनाया है using a lot of threads and glue gun. This opens to our balcony, which is very tiny. So that bushy thing over there is our monstera, जो इतना बड़ा हो गया है कि we can't keep it inside anymore. And then there is a chair and table जहाँ पे हम बाहर कभी कभार बैठते हैं जब बारिश हो रही होती है and मौसम काफ़ी सही हो रहा होता है. And that is our cute watering can, which I really like. Trying to grow a few other plants. इसमें धनिया है, टमाटर है. Then coming to the other side where we have our couch. A yellow chair, orange couch, and on top we have some wall hangings which are fabric के बने हुए. This one is a macrame that I'm using to hang some of my Instax and छोटे मोटे photos, and the other two are just random ones. Over here I have a throw blanket and some cushions. And over here as well I have a throw that is from Peru actually. फिर ये है हमारा coffee table, which was a full black one in color, but हमने थोड़े contact paper खरीदा और ऊपर को marble table top बना दिया. बाकी this one is just a flower pot, a DIY flower pot from a used jam can, a candle. Moving on to this part, this is where our dining table is. This is a close-up of the dining table, and over here we have some fabric hanging piece. This runner is from IKEA, a tray which usually holds our fruits, but अभी कुछ है नहीं शायद घर पे. And this is a DIY from a pickle jar. These are some cute trays we got from Daiso, and this Oriental sa cookie jar. Also a candle. Then this one, like I said, is a huge tray got from IKEA, पर ये किचन में रखने की जगह नहीं थी, which is why we are using it as a decor piece. I'm going to show you what's inside, but let me show you इस तरफ क्या है first. So yeah, there's this huge wall. I did not know what to do with it, so that's why we put a hanging mirror. And on this wall, I have got this bag from Jaisalmer actually. And I liked it so much that I'm using it as a decor piece again. Very vintage piece. So this is actually a bomb shelter. Every house in Singapore needs to have a bomb shelter in case city में bombing हो जाए. This is where people need to go and take rescue. It is mandated by the government. I have converted it into a walk-in closet, sort of, for my casual clothes. I have this closet or an open wardrobe kind of a thing from IKEA. And most of my casual clothes are hanging in over here. इस तरफ मैंने कुछ bags भी टांगे हुए हैं, इस तरफ भी कुछ bags है, some jewelry if you can see. And नीचे firstly I have two very cute baskets जिसमें भी मैंने कुछ folded clothes रखे हुए हैं. And this is the huge white and pink basket जिसके अंदर मैंने actually अपने bags रखे हुए हैं. And then I've covered it with a blanket so that it doesn't show. And on this side I have a small shoe rack to hold all my sneakers जो कि मेरे normal shoe rack में नहीं आते. This is my office का bag which is not being used right now but it's over here. And यहाँ पे थोड़े belt वगैरह टांगा हुआ है. On top of this closet I have a hanging plant over there which is a fake plant, a bag and all my hats. I think it looks very cute that way. Oh, and इस तरफ एक mirror भी है. And just on the side of the dining table is this kitchen. Let me take you in there right now. Our kitchen is as small as a kitchen can get, but you know what I like about it कि एक अलग से separated space है, because otherwise when we were looking for flats, all the other new flats had like an open kitchen concept. So just as you enter, you will see these two sort of cupboards. उसमें मैंने कुछ टाल वगैरह hang कर रखा है. This is our washer and dryer, and then over here is our fridge. I have all my magnets, and if I open and show this to you, this is where we have all our cleaning supplies. This is our trash chute जहाँ पे कचरा फेंकने से सीधे नीचे चला जाता है. On the top one we have some food items stored. Over here gas के बगल में ही I have this cute सा rack in which I've kept all the spices and some random stuff. And then over here we have our coffee machine and like the coffee station stuff. We have our coffee pods hanging over there, and there's also a place over here to keep our coffee pods. How colorful. And this thing is actually very, very cool, since it's such a small kitchen and I don't have place to keep like a huge basket जिसमें धोने के बाद चीजें रख सके for the water to dry out. What I've done is I have bought this one from again a Chinese website और हम चीजें धो के यहीं पे रख देते, so the water just drains down below. Over here again I have another of those shelves जिसमें हमारा मिक्सी और कुछ कॉफी पॉट. So this is how this part looks like. बहुत सारे हमने पैन वगैरह सब हैंग कर रखा है. That is the chopping board, cup holder, some kitchen towelette, and यहाँ पे हमारे सारे बर्तन वगैरह रखे हुए हैं. It used to be a steel का बना IKEA का spoon holder, but then I used some contact paper to make it marble and I really like it. And यहाँ पे हमने wall के ऊपर ही कुछ कुछ hooks ऐसे चिपका दिया है using command tapes, which holds our pans and stuff really well. Moving on to the bedrooms. So this is a guest bedroom. This is very, very bare. We have a small carpet kinds over here, and that table is actually provided by our landlord जो बाहर TV के नीचे रखा हुआ था, so we just put it in to be used as a side table. And we have some fabric wall hangings on both the walls actually. And adjacent to this, इस रूम में कोई mirror नहीं था, so we have used some stick-on mirrors from IKEA. और इस तरफ एक closet है. This is Akhil's closet actually. Bedroom के बगल में ही just guest bathroom है. Again it's very simple, कुछ भी नहीं है अंदर. ऊपर slab में to decorate it we have kept some few fake plants. And over here we also have a random print. And then over here is the sink area. So this is the mirror, this is our master bedroom, and over here we have this cute doormat which we got from IKEA, and this is our robo cleaner. I actually missed showing you this outside wala rug also. This is a beautiful mustard color and I absolutely love it. Okay, let's go to the bedroom now. So that is our bedroom in a nutshell. That's where I came in from, and aate hi I have this area which is sort of my vanity area. Again, those mirrors that you see are stick-on ones from IKEA. And over here I have a very cute IKEA cart which holds all my cosmetics and makeup, skincare, comb, all that stuff. This is also movable, which makes it very easy to use. Then if you move to the right, this is my favorite corner. And over here I also have a beautiful rug. I often sit here and watch people swim and read a book. Also over here is where I've kept my snake plant. यहाँ पे there's a good vibes only sign, and if you keep moving towards the right, This is our bed, and on top we have a beautiful hanging picture or fabric picture kind of a thing. Side mein there's a bedside table. Then on this side I have a cute basket over here where I keep all my camera stuff. It's just easy for me to take out my hard drive or whatever and take it over there and work, or just sit on the bed and work. तो एंट्रेंस में ही मेरा क्लोजेट है, एंड दिस इज वेयर द बाथरूम, मास्टर बाथरूम इज. एवरीथिंग इज हैंगिंग वेरी नाइसली बिकॉज आजकल तो कपड़े यूज ही नहीं होते. एंड ऑन टॉप आई हैव 2 बास्केट्स जिसमें मेरे रैंडम सॉक्स, अंडरवेयर टाइप की चीज़ें हैं. This was our bedroom and this is the bathroom. Just as you enter, you see my stand where I hang all my toiletries and my hand towel and face towel. I love my hand towel. How cute is it? And over here is a huge mirror. Actually, I have a very cute corner over here. जिसमें मैंने एक DIY bottle के अंदर एक flower रख रखा है and there are 2 candles. यहाँ मुट्टी, this is our bathtub. That is just some random fake greenery. And on this side I have all my toiletries kept in a tray. And on this side is where the toilet is. So that was the apartment tour for you guys. हमने actually पहली बार हमारे घर को इतना सजाया है. So I am really hoping you guys liked it. Please मुझे comments पे बताओ which was your favorite part. And yeah, if you liked the video, like कर देना, subscribe कर देना, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye.